Good morning, guys. So I just woke up. It is 11:14, which I'm kind of annoyed about because I already missed like half of the day, but it's fine because I was really tired. Even though I took a nap yesterday, I still needed a lot of sleep to catch up on those nights that I didn't get much sleep when we were in New Orleans. I think today, well, I have, this sounds so bougie, but I ordered groceries online so they could deliver it to me, just because I don't like spending money on an Uber to the grocery stores, and the one near me that I can walk to never really has a lot of choices for me. So I use Instacart to get my groceries. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I really like it. And I also got free delivery off because I ordered from Acme and they gave me a coupon code to use for free delivery, so that was great. So I scheduled that for 12 to 1. Usually they start shopping between 12 to 1. That's not really the delivery time. So I'll say by like 1:30 or 2 they'll be delivering their groceries. So I had that to do. But I kind of wanted to film a September favorites video, even though it's way past September. I mean, we're like a couple days into October, but I need to figure out what things I used this month that I really enjoyed. And then I kind of want to start getting started on my travel video because I feel like that's going to be a long one to do, so I might try that. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm just going to do that. And then after that, or all of that, I'm going to go and take a shower because I need to wash my hair really badly, and then probably just tidy up my room a little bit, edit today's vlog that's going to be uploaded, and then just chill out for the rest of the day till I have work tomorrow, which I'm still sad about. But yeah, let me go. I'm trying to get a little bit pretty. I should take a shower, but I don't want my hair to be weird. I kind of just want to leave my hair straight for these videos, and then I'll wait for my groceries. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. So guys, I just got my groceries and I thought I'd do a little bit of a grocery haul, I guess, but an unhealthy one because I don't really eat healthy. If you guys didn't know, I eat really bad. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got this pound cake from Entenmann's, really unhealthy, but I love this. My mom always used to get it. Very yummy for dessert. I'm so embarrassed about this haul because it's really unhealthy, but I can't help it. I love eating bad, as bad as it is, but sometimes I eat healthy occasionally, but I am a very working person, so I need to just get something quick and easy, and it works for me. So I got a bag of Cheetos because I love Cheetos, and I bought a bag when I was in New Orleans because I just felt for it, and I'm so happy I did because now I'm back into eating Cheetos. I got this Italian 5-cheese shredded cheese for some pasta that I want to make for lunch. I got these tortillas, these large ones, to make burritos for lunch as well. And I actually wanted these Lender's bagels. They were frozen ones, but they were out of stock of both, which I was kind of sad about because I like them better than these, but I can still eat these. These are the Thomas plain bagels, and they're really big, which is good. So I can still eat them. I don't mind, but I got 2 of them. Then, like a lot of college kids, which I'm not in college, but yeah, I got a cup of noodles, and I got 5 of those because they're so good and delicious, and I might have one right now. Not really sure, but I love those a lot. Then I got another shredded cheese, and this is the Mexican style from Kraft for my burritos that I make. I got these Alexia seasoned waffle cut fries. So good, so delicious. I got a Philadelphia original cream cheese for my bagels. I got one of my favorite ice creams. They sold out at the vanilla bean, so instead I got the Haagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream. So good. I could eat this in one sitting, which is really bad. They were out of stock for a lot of stuff, but they were out of stock with the Eggos chocolate chip waffles, so instead I got the Signature Kitchen brand. I had this before, so it's fine. It tastes really good. I love anything chocolate chip waffles. And then for the pasta that I'm gonna make with the shredded Italian cheese, I got this ronzoni rotini pasta. I wanted something different than like penne or spaghetti. Then I got this Simply Lemonade strawberry lemonade. These were on sale for I think 2 for $4. So I also got the raspberry lemonade, which is really good. Then for my burritos, I got the Ortega traditional refried beans, and I actually got 2 cans of those. And for the salsa, I do make them vegetarian, so I don't add any meat into my burritos, so it's just the beans, the cheese, and then this passe or pace picante sauce. They ran out of medium, which is the best because it's spicy and I love spicy things, but the mild is just as fine. And then the last most unhealthy thing that I can ever get, which I shouldn't have gotten because it's bad for you, but I just been craving it and I couldn't help myself. I should be buying a bottle, like a case of water soon, because I need to get back on my water journey. But I got a 6-pack of Coke because I need it. I really do, and it'll make me happier. So that is my little grocery haul. Super unhealthy, but hey, I always say I only live once and I don't want to struggle trying to eat healthy, which I don't really like have the healthy stuff I have to eat. So why not eat what I want to eat and feel good about it afterwards, even though sometimes like fried stuff I don't really feel good, but I mean these stuff make me happy, so I'm gonna eat them. And yeah, maybe I'll die really soon, but it's fine. It's fine. So guys, I just finished filming my travel video. I have a lot of editing to do with that because I was recording my audio through my computer with my microphone because actually I'm not sure if this actually has an audio jack on it. I should have checked because I could have put it right into this camera and do it. Now I'm annoyed because now I feel like it's not going to be synced as well, because I don't know if you guys noticed in some of my videos, if I do like a recording with my microphone, it doesn't really sync up well because I'm like cutting it in Final Cut Pro, like the audio to match the clips that I'm cutting, and sometimes it doesn't really line up, so my audio looks kind of delayed, which is really annoying. But whatever, I'll try to do it next time. Hopefully this one works out. But yeah, I think it was pretty easy to do than I thought. I just put all the clips that I filmed in New Orleans laid out in order in Final Cut Pro, so as I was filming the video I was scrolling through what I need to talk about next, so that made it really easy to do. So hopefully this video comes out fine and hopefully you guys enjoy it, because I don't know, it felt like a lot of work, but it really wasn't. It only took me like 20 minutes to film. As you can see, I also got a little bit dressed up and I had this little outfit on that kind of reminds me of like New Orleans style. You couldn't really see my sleeves though. But I think right now I'm just gonna chill in bed for a little bit, watch a few YouTube videos, and then I'll start editing this throughout the week, and hopefully it will be out by the end of the week or even like the middle of the week, because between Vlogtober and like regular sit down videos I need to make sure I have enough time to do them, especially since I work like crazy. But yeah, and I just did my makeup really fast. So I just put on like concealer, some blush, some bronzer, the lip color from Wet n Wild, and my eyebrows, which I felt kind of cute in this outfit. Kind of want to wear it one day. I forgot I had this dress from H&M, and I kind of wish I brought it down there because it was a really cute type of dress and it was really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit back and relax and watch some videos, and I'll see what else I'm doing later. Probably not much, but I'm gonna shower later definitely, because my hair is getting a little bit dried out and I definitely need to condition it because I didn't wash it at all while I was there, which is kind of annoying, but it's fine. What can you do? So guys, I just started editing part of my travel tour, but I'm actually gonna go take a shower now. I'm just gonna wet my hair, but I'm not gonna fully wash it because I do want to use my my Olaplex #3 hair perfector because that's what's helping to make my hair be more like moisturized. So I'm gonna use that, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna wash it all out and just do my little curly hair routine so I can have my hair curly for tomorrow. So I'm gonna go jump in the shower. Guys, I don't know where I left off, but I look like poop and I actually fell asleep again. I think it's because, well, it's not that big of a difference, but there is a 1 hour difference between New York and New Orleans, which I didn't actually know. So they're an hour behind and we're an hour ahead. So I think that's why I'm a little bit tired, just a tad bit, because my sleeping schedule normally already sucks. So I guess that 1 hour really made a difference. But yeah, I just wanted to say good night because I'm gonna really knock out for real this time because I do have work tomorrow, which I don't want to go, but I don't really mind. It shouldn't be too much for me to do. I'm just gonna take it easy. But yeah, I might be going to the movies tomorrow after work. I'm not sure yet, but I really want to see Venom because it already came out. So it looks really good, but I'll see if I'm up to it because I would only be able to go at like 5 p.m. and I think I'm still gonna be tired tomorrow because all I want to do is just sleep. But yeah, we'll see if that happens. But for now, I'm gonna leave you guys here and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so I know it's been a minute since you last saw me. Probably was at work when I last filmed, but as you can see, my hair is wet. I did wash it finally. Don't mind my bag of Cheetos. I was hungry last night, okay? But I also have on makeup because I'm actually going to see Venom with my friend. So I came back home because I wanted to leave work early. I left at like 4:30 and our movie isn't till 9, so I'm gonna be going at 9 to see the movie. So I just like cleaned up, put on an outfit, and I'm gonna be leaving here by like 7:15 and it's only 6:30. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. My hair is still drying. I just wanted to wash it finally because it felt gross. But let me show you guys my outfit. I don't know if I'm in love with it or not, but it's kind of a different style than what I'm used to right now. But I just want to fix my light because it really sucks right now and it's not working with me. So let's see if we could do this. So my floor is super dirty. You're gonna see in a second, but I'm just wearing this cheetah print t-shirt with this long pants jumpsuit and my Stan Smiths. Kind of weird, but I don't know, kind of like it. So guys, I just got back from the movies. My Uber just dropped me off. It's already like 12:15, 12:20, and I'm sorry that today was pretty boring as well. I'm just still getting over the whole tiredness of being on vacation, being back at work, but I hope it doesn't last for the next few days. Hopefully things will start to lighten up because we're already into day 8 or 9, not sure what today is. I think day 8. But also yesterday's vlog, the one before this, I'm sorry that it was uploaded a little bit late, because right now I just don't feel like editing anything, but I'm very sorry and I'll try to be more on track with stuff. I probably shouldn't have gone out tonight because I'm super tired, but I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow because I'm just dead. So thank you guys for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.